In front of me is UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down to tap on Safety and Emergency. Over here. Then click on Emergency Contacts and click on Add Contact to tap on the one you wish to add. Now do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. As you can see, all of my contacts were successfully added. If you want to remove one of them, use this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!